Hey guys, Alpine Companies on another project, doing some restoration work, doing some flagstone restoration, as well as retuck pointing around this pool. Another big thing that just doesn't get done right is nice seal around this pool here. This product, I always run into this same product. It just cracked, and it's terrible. And it's wet, it's gummy. You know, it's been down for years, they said, and it's just the sun. It's the wrong product to be out by a pool. So I'm gonna strip this entire goop out from around this perimeter of this pool and reseal it with a proper product. You need pool restoration done? Check us out. You can watch over 2,000 videos on my website on products I've completed. www.alpinecompanies.com. Shoot me an email. I'll come out and give you a free estimate. Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next restoration project.